Welcome back to the channel, guys. Donnie D back at you for another how long did this project take and how much did it cost. Now let me just start off by saying I did this project at the time of this recording that I'm doing right now. I did this project about 2 years ago. So the pricing that I'm going to discuss now will reflect the pricing of 2020, which is October right now, 2020. It will reflect the pricing of the time we're recording the video right now. So today I'm just going to go over everything, and I'm going to show you some video clips of this shower. This was a failed shower done by a not qualified contractor. It's a Sluta shower, but when they're done right, it's pretty hard to mess them up. They're pretty much bulletproof when they're done correctly. But this guy did such a hack job, it was insane. So what I'm going to do here in this video, I'm going to show you some clips of what it took to actually do the job, and then I'm going to discuss towards the end, how many hours I had into the project and how much of the client, according to our prices now, would have to invest. Because the thing is, I get a lot of phone calls almost on a weekly basis about their showers leaking. So this is something that you can do. One thing about my company is that when someone wants to just redo the shower base, we will not warranty it. I mean, we're going to take the same steps that we would if we build the shower from the top down, and we're going to make sure everything is 100% waterproof and flood it out before a tile hits it. But we just don't warranty unless we do it from the top down. It's just a company policy. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to show you some clips of what happened on this job, and I'll discuss, what it took towards the end. If you just want to skip towards the end, feel free. If not, stay tuned for the clips here of what actually went into this project. Patching the section here. With 1/2-inch plywood, and put 3/4 plywood right over, and that OSB with plywood, so rock solid. Got our Kerdi board going around. I got my pan pre-cut, Kerdi band, the curve, everything is ready to go. So like I was saying before, this is actually a flood test. I'm filling up the shower base with water. The term we use, flood test. Basically, I put a plug, if you see there, that red little circle thing in the drain, which is right in the center there. Put that down, tighten it up, make sure it's holding water, and then I take buckets of water and I just fill it up. And I let that sit at least overnight. I like to go for about 16 hours, and if I can, 24 is ideal. Because when you let it sit for that 24 hours, you're definitely going to be able to tell if there's a leak. I mean, if there's a slight leak, it'll get through within that 12 to 24 hours. So it's always like cheap insurance to do. And listen, I know if you're a contractor out there, it takes time, you lose the time, whatever, but just charge accordingly. Just explain to your client that, listen, if you want to make sure this thing leaks, which it shouldn't leak, why don't we just flood it out? Doesn't hurt, right? I mean, it's a lot cheaper to find a leak now than have this whole shower completely tiled. All that time, money is spent on the material, the labor, even a beautiful glass door, and then you find out you got a leak. It's going to cost you a lot of money to have to redo that over one little pinhole here or there. So take the time, flood it out, and you'll sleep better at night. Not only yourself being the contractor, but the client as well. Everyone will sleep good. Okay, the moment you all been waiting for. What a shower like this cost, and the time that I'm recording this now, to hire myself and my company to redo a shower base like this. So I'm just going to go over real quickly here, how many hours I actually got into this thing. I have 32 hours into this thing, between ripping it out, prepping everything, setting the towel, routing the towel, cleaning up the whole site, everything. 32 hours, okay? So what did it cost? What would the investment be? For this shower that I did, according to today's October 2020 pricing, Standard, it's $3,700. So $3,700. That's with labor and materials. The client supply the tile, the grout, everything like that. They dispose of the debris. I handle everything else between the demo, like I said before, the plywood, everything like that. All the shower building materials there, thin set cedar materials and whatnot. So I hope this video helped you out, helped answer your question. What will your shower base cost to redo if you have a leak or something similar like this to get redone? Anyway, I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions at all, feel free to contact me or even just leave in the comment section below and we'll go from there. Until the next video, Donnie D signing off.